Hey everyone, it's Lisa from moonprismplanner. Welcome back to my channel for another video, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Either way, thanks for clicking and watching. So today I'm going to be doing my daily plan with me for April 18th in my notes, goals, and to-dos undated Bloom daily planner. But first, I'm going to go ahead and start off by checking off like what I managed to accomplish yesterday. And so I did go out on my walk, but I did not get around to planning with my son and filming next week's plan with me. So I did just draw an arrow to, make sure I signify I need to do those things. And so those two things are going to go straight at the top of my priorities for today. I actually forgot to fill out the third top priority, but since I didn't write it in, I'll go ahead and tell you. I guess that would be to call the help desk since I need to do that today. Anyway, though, for important times, I need to clock in for working from home at 11 a.m. So I put that in. And then we will start with breakfast, lunch, and dinner as always, except I made a few typos, or not typos, I don't know. I needed to use the whiteout a couple times in this plan with me. I don't know why, because I usually never do, but whatever. So I'm going to have a bagel for breakfast, which is going to be 3 points. I'm going to eat our leftover enchilada soup for lunch, which was so good, and it's going to be 7 points for that. And we're going to have a simple breakfast for dinner, which I estimated to be about 5 points. That definitely gives me a lot of wiggle room since my maximum point value per week or per day is 23 points. So gives me a lot of room to work with, but I like to have a lot of room to work with in case I want to, eat some sweets or whatever, or some snacks like popcorn or something. Anyways, and then my exercise goal is going to be the same as it is every day, which is to walk 10,000 steps, which is very hard for Saturday since I can't go on my morning walk since I don't have the time because I'm going to have to, be in front of my computer for work. So yeah, I'm going to try. And then today I was very grateful for, considering the fact that I am largely unemployed, but I do still have a part-time job where I work 1 day a week. And even if it's only 5 hours once a week, it's better than nothing. So I'm just grateful that they didn't lay me off. They didn't lay off any of us, and they promised we wouldn't lose any of our hours. So I'm very grateful for that job, and I love the people I work with. So then I'm just going to go ahead and continue to fill out my to-do list and do a little bit of time blocking. Like I said, I need to call the help desk, which is going to be my third priority for the day. I also, while I'm on the clock, I'm able to check my YouTube comments and reply to those, and check my emails and do a meal plan for next week. Just because it does tend to be pretty slow. I'm hopefully anticipating it's going to be slow this week. As long as I'm not with a student, then I am able to do other things, but I do need to be, quickly available if a student were to call. So anyways, and then of course I'm going to do my priorities and make dinner and go for a walk, try to get in those steps. And that is it for today. Thank you so much for watching my daily plan with me. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss any more of my videos. And definitely leave me a comment if you have a question or you just want to say hi, and I'll say hi back. Anyways, I hope that y'all take care. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.